So here I have a Blazor front end that invokes the GPT-3 API. This runs entirely in the browser and is hosted on GitHub Pages. I'll go ahead and use my OpenAI API key and validate that and use a simple example. Let's ask for a study guide of ancient Rome using the Da Vinci model, which is the most robust. We'll cap the number of tokens that are processed at 200. Each individual token corresponds to roughly 4 characters and tells us how many tokens were used in processing the request. We're charged fractions of a penny based on the number of tokens that are used. And ask for a temperature of 0.1. This reduces the variability in one response to the next. 0 temperature should generate the same response over and over, whereas 1.0 would generate different responses each time. And we can take a look at the completion response, which is the JSON payload returned from the endpoint, and we can see we needed to massage those new line characters a bit for display. Let's take a look at a more interesting example, and I'll return a list of NFL teams, and I'll want to include the number of Super Bowl wins in the category. And this returns text that had to be massaged into a table. I can export this into a CSV file. And there we are. And take that and import that into another program, use it wherever we need. And we can take a look at the completion response. It doesn't look very user-friendly, but of course there's some code behind the scenes that molded it into a table display. And lastly, we've got a JSON test data generator that will give us a set of JSON data, including a name, ID, email, and fake company. So, of course, you could take this and generate different test data for your specific use case. This and other code samples are available at the GitHub repo. And there is a Nuget package available for download if you're using C# that wraps all of this interaction. Thanks for watching.